Hey, what's up guys, it's Laashak and in a new video today we are going to unbox this. Well, it's not in a box, so it's really not unboxing. And since the material is really close to the mic, you might hear the real ASMR opening of the casing. So the thing that we are going to unbox today is a mobile case, but it has a screen guard inside, so it's really gonna be nice. And the mobile case that I'm unboxing is for the Motorola Edge Plus, the phone that I've been reviewed in the channel recently, and I also did the unboxing of the phone, so go check it out if that is really what you want to see. So the unboxing isn't really big. You just open the ziplock right here and pull the whole thing outside. Just before going into what is included in the casing, I just want to see the overview of the box itself. It says fashion phone shell. Okay, different name. Not the best products. Only to better products. Okay. Anyways. Enjoy the best quality. Alright, it says made in China, nothing big. It also mentions feather touch, shield protection, and 360, which I'm not sure what they mean, but that's gotta be it for what's on the cover. Let's get into what's included in the box. So here we have this. So this has got to be the screen protector, I guess. It's weirdly blue for some reason. I really don't know why, but this reminds me of so those screen protectors where you have privacy concerns, and from a special viewing angle you can only see your proper phone. So that might be what this is for, or I'm just assuming and the whole thing is transparent. Anyways, let's put that aside, and you have some safety packaging, which is not really useful, and a kit for installing your screen protector, a rubber case. I mean, it's really well, it's pretty solid, it's flexible and decent quality. The mic cutout is really well done, and seems to be safe enough for your Edge Plus. That's gotta be it for the unboxing, and catch you in the next one. Just before leaving, I wanted to say that this video is not a sponsored video, and all the elements present in the video were bought by me. So that's gotta be it. Thanks for watching.